Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the React table example with search, pagination and sorting. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the last video we have discussed the simple React table example. Now we have modified with the search, with the pagination, with the go to page and the show more. So here you can see that if I go with the show 30, you can see that the 30 records has been there. If I go with show 10, it show 10 records. If I go to the page number whatever 3, so you can see that 3 page number is there. If I put it 6, it will go over here. Okay, if I go with back, it will go with back. Next, next. Okay, here you can see that you can search also, like here we have a playset. Let's search it at with playset. So all the records with the playset is there, right? Let's search. Here you can see, here we have this records. Here you can see all have the place set, right? And the next page is also there with one record. Okay, so this is search and sorting. If I just go with the reset, and here you can see that sorting. Here you can see sort by title. You can do the sort by title also. Okay, so sorting is also there. Let's dive into the code level, how we have implemented. Okay. Okay, so here we are using the React use effect, use state and the use memo from the React, and these are the use table use from the React tables. Here we are using the props of that one. Okay, so use table is basically the hook of that one React table, so which we are used to create the tables, right? So main function component for the table and state to hold the table data, right? Then we have a use effect to fetch the data from the API when the component mount. So I'm using the JSON placeholder API of the post to fetch the data and the set the data. Okay, an empty dependency array means that this runs only after the initial render. Then use memo is to memorize the columns configuration, right? So here we have the columns. Okay, then destructure the return value of the use table hook to get the necessary methods. So here we are going to get destructure the use table hook. So here we have the use table hook, so we are going to destructure and get the necessary methods, right? So props for the table tag, so props for the table body tag, arrow of the header groups, prepare function to prepare a row for rendering, page array for the rows of the current page, previous page, next page, page options for the available pages, page count, go to the page, next page, previous, set page size, set global filter, function to set the global filter for the table, and here we have already structured the state to get the page index, page size, and the global filter. Okay, so here we have a columns data and the initial state for the page index to be 0. Then we have a user global filter, hook for the global filtering, hook for the sorting, hook for the paginations. Okay, then global search input we have mentioned input. Okay, so here we have set the global filter, so e.target dot value, and on the behalf of it we are doing the search part. Next, we have the disk table props, which we have already discussed in the last video. What about the get table props? And here we have a get header groups. So here you can see that we have mentioned in the last one. So basically, this for the get table props is basically used for apply the table props using the spread operator. Then here we are applying the header group props using the, so here apply the header group props using the spread operator. So all of these are used to apply first one that we are using here. So I will show you for the table one, right? Then we require the headers. Okay, so this is for the headers, and render sort indicators. So column is sorted, we have mentioned these arrows, right, for the sorting part. Then body prepare the row for the rendering. So I'm going to prepare the row whatever we have the for the API row dot cells. Okay, and then here we have render, right? Then we have a pagination controls at the bottom of the page. Here you can see, and go to the page, previous page, next page. Okay, and go to the page with the number and all. Okay, so here you can see that these are the page numbers for the sizes, right? Map page sizes and show the number of pages accordingly. Okay, and then export the table component. Okay, by writing these lines of code you are able to get the sorting, searching, and you can see about the pagination also, okay, with basic React table. So this is how you can do that. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.